Control, in its most elegant form, is never loud, visible, or forceful. True authority begins where emotional mastery lives. The intersection of elegance and control is often misunderstood. External dominance is mistaken for strength, while true power remains internal. Elegance does not seek to manage others. Elegance disciplines the self. Elegance begins with restraint. Emotional intelligence governs reactions long before words are spoken. Provocation loses influence when composure remains intact. Response replaces reaction when dignity is prioritized over impulse. Silence becomes a strategic choice rather than avoidance. Over-explaining dissolves authority. Measured quiet preserves mystery and self-respect. Control strengthens when emotional sovereignty remains protected. No external event receives ownership over inner peace. Composure becomes a personal standard rather than a fragile mood. Mastery reveals itself through steadiness, not suppression. Internal control forms the foundation of true elegance. Composure reflects disciplined emotional regulation rather than surface calm. Elegance begins with restraint because restraint signals mastery over impulse. Emotional maturity reveals itself through deliberate behavior rather than spontaneous reaction. Emotional intelligence governs responses long before words emerge. Awareness of internal states prevents external situations from dictating behavior. Provocation loses power when composure remains intact. Emotional stability interrupts cycles of conflict before escalation occurs. Reaction often originates from unprocessed emotion. Response emerges from clarity, reflection, and conscious choice. Dignity becomes the deciding factor when impulse is restrained. Self-respect redirects energy away from defensiveness and toward self-command. Silence operates as an intentional psychological tool. Strategic quiet prevents emotional leakage and preserves authority. Avoidance seeks escape from discomfort. Silence chosen with awareness demonstrates control rather than fear. Over-explaining weakens perceived confidence. Excessive justification suggests insecurity rather than transparency. Authority strengthens when communication remains concise. Measured expression signals confidence in personal boundaries. Quiet presence creates psychological space. Others adjust behavior when emotional unpredictability disappears. Mystery arises naturally when restraint replaces disclosure. Self-respect becomes visible through selective engagement. Control deepens when emotional sovereignty is protected. Internal stability cannot be outsourced to external validation. Emotional sovereignty requires detachment from external approval. Mood regulation becomes a personal responsibility rather than a reaction. No external event deserves ownership over inner peace. Stability depends on internal standards rather than external circumstances. Composure transforms into a baseline rather than an effort. Emotional consistency replaces volatility over time. Personal standards replace emotional reactivity. Predictable calm builds trust and respect in social dynamics. Self-control does not require emotional suppression. Awareness allows emotion to exist without directing behavior. Steadiness reflects integration rather than denial. Balanced regulation preserves authenticity without chaos. Mastery expresses itself through consistency. Emotional reliability becomes a defining personal trait. Impulse-driven behavior erodes long-term authority. Disciplined response strengthens credibility in every environment. Composure influences perception before communication begins. Emotional regulation shapes how presence is interpreted. Calm authority communicates confidence without dominance. Stability becomes visible through non-reactivity. Internal control reduces the need for external correction. Boundaries remain intact without confrontation. Emotional intelligence prioritizes long-term outcomes. Immediate satisfaction gives way to strategic decision-making. Restraint preserves energy for meaningful engagement. Emotional conservation enhances clarity and judgment. Elegance reflects emotional order rather than emotional absence. Regulation supports expression without disorder. Composure functions as a personal code. Behavior aligns with values rather than emotional fluctuation. Internal mastery produces external ease. Confidence appears effortless when regulation becomes habitual. True elegance remains rooted in psychological discipline. Control begins within and radiates outward through composed presence. Visual elegance reflects internal order. Nothing appears accidental when intention leads every detail. Posture communicates authority before language ever enters the room. A lifted chin and grounded stance claim space without demand. Style becomes curated rather than reactive. Minimalism or opulence carries equal power when maintained with consistency. Tailored silhouettes, refined grooming, and intentional presentation signal self-command. Movement slows when control is present. Rushing signals urgency. Deliberate pacing signals confidence. External control expresses itself through visible discipline rather than display. Visual elegance functions as evidence of internal order and self-regulation. Appearance communicates intention before speech occurs. When details align with purpose, presence appears deliberate rather than accidental. Posture operates as a non-verbal signal of authority. An upright spine and stable stance communicate confidence without verbal assertion. Physical alignment influences perception in social and professional settings. Grounded posture establishes credibility before interaction begins. Personal style reflects decision-making rather than trend dependency. Curated clothing choices indicate clarity rather than emotional reaction. Minimalist wardrobes and opulent aesthetics hold equal influence when consistency is maintained. Coherence matters more than extravagance. Tailored garments reinforce self-command through structure and fit. Refined grooming demonstrates respect for personal standards. Intentional presentation reduces the need for explanation. Visual coherence communicates discipline without effort. Movement reveals internal pacing and emotional regulation. Rushed motion signals pressure, while controlled movement conveys stability. Deliberate pacing communicates confidence and situational awareness. Controlled presence reinforces authority through calm physical expression. Elegance expresses firmness through calm delivery. Boundaries require no justification when self-worth is settled. A composed no carries more authority than emotional explanation. Detachment emerges as the highest form of control. Walking away preserves dignity when alignment disappears. Energy withdraws from chaos without announcement or resentment. Grace protects peace without confrontation. Elegance communicates firmness through calm and controlled delivery. Authority increases when emotional intensity remains low. Boundaries function as personal standards rather than negotiations. Self-worth removes the need for justification or defense. A composed refusal establishes clarity without conflict. Calm language preserves respect while maintaining decisiveness. Emotional explanations dilute authority in relational dynamics. Confidence appears stronger when decisions stand without elaboration. Detachment represents a refined form of control. Distance restores balance when emotional investment becomes misaligned. Walking away protects dignity in situations lacking mutual respect. Withdrawal signals discernment rather than avoidance. Energy withdrawal prevents escalation without creating hostility. Silence and absence often resolve tension more effectively than confrontation. Graceful detachment eliminates the need for confrontation. Peace is preserved through non-engagement rather than argument. Relational control depends on self-regulation rather than influence. Calm boundaries maintain stability without dominance. Elegance sustains harmony by choosing alignment over reaction. Control remains intact when peace becomes the priority. True elegance never controls others. True elegance governs the self. Mastery remains internal, visible only through calm presence, disciplined choices, and unwavering composure. Control, when refined, becomes silent authority rather than force. True elegance is defined by self-governance rather than influence over others. Authority rooted in inner discipline carries greater longevity than control imposed externally. Refined control expresses itself through consistent emotional regulation and intentional decision-making. Calm presence becomes a signature of internal mastery rather than a performative act. Disciplined choices shape behavior long before situations unfold. Stability emerges from practiced restraint, not momentary effort. Composure functions as a visible marker of self-command. Emotional steadiness communicates confidence without explanation or assertion. When control is refined, power no longer needs display. Silent authority replaces force, allowing elegance to remain unmistakable and enduring. This space explores elegance as emotional intelligence, discipline, and quiet power. Subscribe to Thriving Ivy 3883 and continue refining presence, composure, and feminine authority. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.